Feeling dog? Hair of the dog? Alcohol is the second biggest risk factor for cancer after smoking. How does that make you feel? Around 200,000 people come to work with a hangover every day. Makes you think, doesn't it? Half of all victims of violent crime think the attacker had been drinking. Does this surprise you? Over 45s are more likely to drink alcohol every day. Did you know that? It's time to talk about drinking. If you're concerned about yours or somebody else's alcohol use, call Lifeline on 01709 364 04. Drop in to see us or visit your GP.